We want people to enjoy using a product when they buy it. This is our approach in our design process. In order for them to do so, they should be satisfied with the product every time they see. We try to provide this. Actually, we don't like to leave our work to coincidences while designing. That's why we identify current trends and needs first. These are mostly questions about where they will be used and what their needs are, both in terms of functionality and form. For example, we didn't want to create something that will be used in homes which looks very rough and mechanical. We wanted it to look more naive, more like an ornament. That's why we try to create a design that looks as delicate as possible and contribute to decoration within the home. Of course, while doing this, we try to design it by keeping in mind how it would be used in places such as workplaces, restaurants, cafes, and how it would be used both horizontally and vertically. In both areas, we try to catch current trends and create a design that users will enjoy using. As a matter of fact, when we design, there's something called CMF, that is color, material and finishing. We also do the work we call CMF. We make color suggestions. Because this is one of the elements that complete a design, I mean graphic and the color. While identifying this, we determined which colors to use by considering the current color trends in home decoration and especially in restaurants and cafes. It's important because what you do may be a product with a very beautiful color on its own, but it can be difficult to adapt to the place, so we usually determine the colors by considering the harmony. While designing the product, we did not only consider it aesthetically and visually, or just consider it as a form, but also tried to provide ease of use. So IoT feature was added to the product. The IoT feature is very beneficial for these type of products, especially if it's a product that will cause danger when it's left on. When in doubt, if you're not sure whether it's on or off, you can turn it off and on using the application. Or if there are 10 of these products in a restaurant or a cafe, it's possible to turn 10 of them on the same time or add features such as programming when to turn on and off. In addition, since it will be used outdoors in cafes and such, we have ensured that this product is waterproof during the mechanical design stage. Also, when you buy it for home, it is possible to use this product indoors and outdoors. As it's a heating product, the color black is generally used. How we decided to go with the color white during the decision-making process is very interesting. When we consider these trends, if we were based on the functionality, we should have used dark colors. However, we preferred the color white in order to make it look more elegant and to be perceived more relevant. Of course, it's a warm product. But when we look at the design it has, it may not give such a warm effect. Before we started to design it, we tried to determine what position it should be in, again according to the needs of the usage space. For example, there are heaters that are horizontal and stand at the end of a pipe. These limit the use of space, create danger, and do not look stylish. We especially wanted to create a design that looks as stylish as possible, is modest in the space, and does not restrict movement. Of course, it made more sense to be upright in terms of functionality. If you wish, we can use wall-hanging options and horizontal usage options thanks to the mechanism at the back. A special leg has been designed, and it's important to keep it as stable as possible, because it's a hard-to-touch product. It passed all the balance tests, and the designs made afterwards were made accordingly. Of course, we also made revisions during the design phase. But as I just said, the most important thing was to make this product look like a decorative object. In fact, standing upright, let's call it the grace it brings to it. All this stems from the desire to be in harmony with the space and also not be conspicuous in decoration. Similar products like this, I don't mean all of them, I mean people use them out of necessity. They buy and use them, but it does not really fit their home. As we realize this problem, we want people to enjoy using a product when they buy it. Our approach in our designs is generally in this direction. So in order for them to enjoy, they must enjoy the product they buy every time they see it. As a matter of fact, we try to provide this. We wanted to make a product suitable for current trends in that place, that is modest and which does not bother the user and easy on the eyes.
Göze batmayan, kullanıcıyı rahatsız etmeyen, gördüğü zaman da keyif verici bir ürün haline getirmek istedik.